your preferred unit is not in stock, you can always do a pre-order. Okay, so all pre-orders placed in August 2020 were all fulfilled in March 2021, while the pre-orders placed in February 2021, 12% have already fulfilled in March.
Hi, it is Brian. Welcome to Superhairpieces. So let me introduce about the M178 for you. That is a new model. So in the response to COVID-19, so the model is almost similar to the M108. So instead of the mono silk in the middle, so we have the inject skin piece in the middle, and we add the inside layer of the silk. So it's just so comfortable to wear.